Who says I can't get stoned? Turn off the lights and the telephone. Me in my house alone. So who says I can't get stoned? Who says I can't be free from all of the things that I used to be and rewrite my history? So who says I can't be free? It's been a long night in New York City, a long night in Baton Rouge. I don't remember you looking any better. Then again, I don't remember you. Who says I can't get stoned? I'll call up a girl that I used to know and fake love for an hour or so. So who says I can't get stoned? Who says I can't take time to meet all the girls in the county lines and wait on fate to send me a sign? Who says I can't take time? It's been a long night in New York City, a long night in Austin too. I don't remember you looking any better. Then again, I don't remember you. Who says I can't get stoned? Plan a trip to Japan alone. It doesn't matter if I even go. So who says I can't get stoned? It's been a long night in New York City, a long time till 22. I don't remember you looking any better. But then again, I don't remember you.